Banking it. Bankers in the spotlight. Have you had a problem with your bank lately? Every year, the Financial Ombudsman Service, FOS, receives thousands of complaints about banks. At the top of the list of complaints are banking charges. These include charges for going overdrawn, charges for bounced cheques, and charges for not having sufficient funds to cover direct debit payments. In some cases, banks charge up to €50 for unauthorised overdrafts, even though the overdrawn amount is as little as 2 pence. Other complaints refer to bank charge increases. Some banks initially offer customers low rates or even zero banking. However, they later change this, often without informing clients. I've seen the unauthorised overdraft charge on my account go from £15 when I opened the account to £35 a year later. At no point was I consulted or given the chance to agree with these changes, said one angry customer. When I opened my account, they told me there were no charges. But now, every time I write a cheque, they charge me 50 pence, said another customer. One woman decided to take her bank to court. Mrs. Reynolds, 53, was so angry about her bank charges that she started a claim for £1,500. She won the case, partly because the bank failed to dispute the claim. However, the bank failed to pay the money promptly, so she sent bailiffs to their bank's head office to collect it. I spent days phoning them, trying to resolve the matter, but they did not return one single phone call, she explained. Her actions seemed to work. The bank paid up quickly, and a spokesperson made a public apology. We'd like to apologise to Mrs. Reynolds for any delays. Unfortunately, there was an administrative error in sending the payment. However, I can now confirm that it has been made. So, the cheque's in the post, right? Excuses, excuses.
Listening and repeat.
Financial Ombudsman Service. Financial Ombudsman Service.
The Financial Ombudsman Service, an organisation that tries to settle disputes between consumers and UK-based businesses providing financial services, banks, etc. An ombudsman is a person, organisation that investigates complaints.
Complaints. Complaints.
A complaint. If you make a complaint, you say that you are not happy about something, a service.
Charges. Charges.
A charge. An amount of money you must pay for a service.
Going overdrawn. Going overdrawn.
To go overdrawn. To take out more money from your account than you have.
Bounced. Bounced.
To bounce. A check. If a check bounces, the bank doesn't pay the amount.
Direct debit payments. Direct debit payments.
A direct debit payment. An amount of money that comes out of your account every month to pay for something you have bought previously.
Unauthorized. Unauthorized.
Unauthorized. Without official permission.
Overdrafts. Overdrafts.
An overdraft. An amount of money you can borrow from the bank, sometimes without having to pay charges.
Rates. Rates.
A rate. A fixed amount of money you must pay for something.
Take her bank to court. Take her bank to court.
To take someone to court. To start a legal process against someone in order to get compensation.
Claim. Claim.
A claim. A formal demand for something.
Dispute. Dispute.
A dispute. An argument between two people, parties.
Promptly. Promptly.
Promptly. Quickly.
Resolve the matter. Resolve the matter.
To resolve a matter. To find a solution to a problem.
Apology. Apology.
An apology. If someone makes an apology, they say sorry.
Delays. Delays.
A delay. If there is a delay, something happens later than planned.